the depth of the riches both of the wisdom and the knowledge of God. How unsearchable are his judgments, and his ways past tracing out. For who has known the mind of the Lord? Or who has been his counselor? Or who is first given to him, and it will be repaid to him again? For of him and through him and to him are all things. To him be the glory forever. Amen.